Today is actually the day before I'm getting my relaxer and hair color change and tape and extensions. I'm actually really nervous to get my hair relaxed because I just remember being little and getting it relaxed and like not paying attention to nothing. Like that's what we had to do as little black girls. Like we had to get our hair relaxed. Like that was like the stereotype. So I'm nervous because, you know, I've been natural for maybe like over 10 years and I haven't seen any changes in my hair. It may have gotten longer, but even when you guys know when your hair is natural, your hair can be all the way down to here and that shit will still be up here. I'm kind of over it. Like I'm just ready to, and like I said, I mostly wear wigs anyways. Yeah, I mostly wear wigs anyways. So I always either have my hair braided up or like in a little ponytail in the back to put my wig on. But I definitely wanted to try the tape-ins first. These are the tape-ins. I got them from Perfect Distraction. I'll link them down below. I actually dyed these jet black myself because I didn't want her to have to do it and her charge me more if that was the case. I got 28 inches, so it's pretty long. I can't even show you how long it is, but it's pretty long. I got 28 inches and I got 4 of them. I believe there's 20 in each bundle. So yeah, I'm excited, but like I'm getting my hair dyed jet black after I get it relaxed and I'm going to get it pressed and she's going to put these puppies in. And yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my hair before the relaxer because this is my last time being natural. Well, not my last time. I might go back. I'm just over it. I'm so over it. And it's so hard to manage. Like, I can barely even get a fucking part in that bitch. But this is before. Say goodbye to the natural hair. And this isn't even my natural hair. This is my hair blown out. Oh, yeah. Say bye. Say bye here. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in the case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on just anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be, it couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. rolling 80 wheels and it'll save you. Got 100. Gotta roll OT, gotta give my release. Spread your legs downtown, so I'm going out to eat. Hit the raw sounds when I rock, I'll be asleep. I'm a roll on the nigga, I thought you was a thug. I ain't got nowhere to go, I shot up everywhere they was. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. We ain't mask up, no Dodge Rick, niggas know who it was. It's doing shit just like the 80s, want some back, get it in blood. Yeah, you know who took that shit from you, come get it back in blood. Bitch, come get it back in blood. Big bird.
Hey guys, so it is actually the next day from getting my hair done. I didn't get a chance to show you guys. It was dark, I was tired. So I'm gonna show y'all now. So this is my hair. I got it relaxed and I got a color change. My hair was brown, now it's black. So she gave me a trim, she gave me a deep condition. She basically did the whole 9. She was amazing, by the way. She also has a YouTube channel that I will link down below and also insert here. Definitely check her out. She does just about anything. I think she said that she was about to get her license to start doing waxes as well. I don't know if she already does them, I don't know. But she's amazing, and I was there for a long time, but she made every second worth it. Like, we literally talked the whole time. Like, it was no awkward silence. Like, she's just a really good person, and I definitely appreciate her. Yeah, so she took care of me, and I had ordered 2 things of, I guess, was it Textured Straight? Yeah, it was Textured Straight from Perfect Distraction. And I ended up only using like 3.5 of the bundles. So each extension or tape extension order comes with 2 bundles of 20 tape and extensions. So I had 4 bundles total, and she used about 3.5. So I have a couple left. I think I might actually add some more, even though I do like this, like, not thin, but like I like this more like natural look. Like, it's not like super thick where it looks like, girl, that's not your hair. This definitely looks like, girl, is that your hair? I don't know, it must be the texture too, because the texture, it's not like your average straight bundle of hair. Like, it has texture to it, and it almost feels like, I don't want to say synthetic, but it almost feels kind of like that. It almost feels kind of like that. But it's soft. Synthetic, when you literally can't even get your fingers through sometimes. You can tell it's human hair, but it feels like, maybe like a yaki texture, I would say. But yeah, so I do have some left. I might add some up here in the front a little bit and kind of, you know, like just shape it to my face a little bit. So I might do that, but I've been loving it. I haven't put it up yet because it's like still fresh. Like, my scalp is still fresh. I'm like, it's just like putting braids up on the first day you get them. Like, girl, isn't that still like tight? It's not tight feeling. It feels like honestly nothing's in my hair, but I don't know. I don't want to put it up yet because it's sitting pretty right now. So yeah, I wish I could show you guys the length. Hold on, let me see if I can stand on the toilet. Oh shit. Okay, so this is the length of the hair. I'm 5'2", and like I said, this is 28 inches, and it's literally, my stomach is right here, so it literally goes past my stomach. It's past my backside a little bit. It stops about like right here. So you definitely get your bang for your buck for the length. But yeah, I'm loving it, y'all. So I do want to film some like hair tutorials with this hair. I actually just bought some roller sets from Five and Below. So we're gonna be playing with that a little bit because I want my fringe to be like, you know, like swoop to the side. But that's pretty much my hair. I have a middle part, but she said I can part it anyway. I don't want to even touch it right now. Like I said, it's still fresh, so I'm just trying to let it do its thing. And I sleep with a scarf on and a bonnet. So, and my bonnet came off last night. I woke up in the middle of the night and I had to put it back on. So, but yeah. So this is what we're looking like. And thank you guys for coming with me on this journey. Starting my relaxer journey. I'm definitely going to start going to her like every 6 weeks and keeping up with my hair. Because I do want to see a little bit of growth happen, even though I wear extensions all the time and all that, and wigs. But I'm trying to take a break from wigs, so if I could just keep my hair healthy and, you know, we'll have no problems. So anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching, and ciao.